Cold and cough in babies. Colds and cough are the most common reasons for kids missing classes at school. They are contagious throughout the year. When it comes to the common cold, there is no one-stop cure for it, no antibiotics, no syrups, and no pills. However, there are several remedies that can offer your child some relief when he's sneezing and wheezing all day long, thanks to an irritating cold or cough. It is better to provide such remedies to your infant from your kitchen than a medical shop. Also, there are so many different remedies for this ailment that you're sure to find at least a few of the below items sitting right now in your kitchen. Natural remedies for cold and cough in babies. When it comes to a cough, there are two kinds. Wet and dry. A wet cough is the existence of phlegm in the throat and nasal area. A dry cough, on the other hand, is marked by the absence of phlegm. The remedies for both sometimes differ. It is necessary to diagnose the cold and cough before providing a remedy for it. A person does not catch a cold or cough through food items, nor does cold weather create infections in babies, although it does provide a good breeding environment for germs. Children can be infected when they come into contact with germs that spread through the air when someone coughs or sneezes, or when they come into direct contact with an infected person. So, the first and foremost thing to do is to maintain hygiene and sanitize your child's hands regularly. In spite of taking precautions, if your child does catch a cold and cough, the following are some effective remedies you can try to offer him relief. Home remedies suitable for babies of ages 1 and above. The following are remedies for kids across different age groups. 12. Steam. This is a natural way to help babies become calm and relieve a blocked nose. Run the hot shower, tap in the bathroom and let the steam fill up the room. After turning off the tap, take your baby inside the room. The steam will be mild for you, but it is perfect for a newborn. Steam inhalation can also be used for older babies or children. Avoid using boiled water in tumblers. This could prove to be dangerous if the tumbler gets knocked over. Also, consider investing in a steam inhalator. 13. Head elevation. Elevating the baby's head helps stabilize the flow of his breath, bypassing interruptions. 14. Infused water. If your baby is above 6 months of age or has been introduced to drinking water, then make sure the baby drinks sips of argiwane, cumin or tulsi water at regular intervals. Boil filtered water with a spoon of argiwane, cumin seeds or tulsi leaves. Filter this water and bring it down to a lukewarm temperature before bottling it. 15. Appropriate clothes. As mentioned earlier, a cold environment becomes a breeding ground for cold and cough. If the baby has only a slight cold and cough, it is advisable to keep him snug and warm. If he is running a temperature, then do the opposite. It is advisable not to add to the high temperature the baby already is suffering from, and loose thin clothes can help reduce his temperature to an extent. 16. Lots of water. Keep your baby hydrated with a lot of warm water, breast milk, or any other fluids. The chances are that your baby will not be comfortable eating solid food when he has a cold or cough. Fluids will help provide his body with the necessary nutrients and will also help boost his immune system. 17. De-stress. Do not add stress to your baby. Yes, as parents we end up doing that. If the baby does not want to do something, it's best to try something else. The more stressed the baby becomes, the more time he will take to recover. So it's best to give your little one some time to relax. Other remedies you can try. Apart from home remedies, certain devices and balms can also help your child recover from a cold and cough. 1. Nasal aspirator. Nasal aspirator. If your child is suffering from a heavily blocked nose, a regular affair every time a cold strikes, it would be best if you invest in a nasal aspirator. As the baby is too young to consciously sneeze, nasal aspirators will quickly suck out the mucus without irritating or causing harm to the baby. 2. Menthol balms. It is important to not use menthol, eucalyptus balms for babies under the age of 2. The ingredients of an ordinary balm will be too intense for babies, thus forcing the body to produce more mucus to shield itself from such intensity. However, for any baby above 2 years, one can use the regular balm. Some do's and don'ts. Remember to give your baby an age-appropriate remedy for his cold and cough. Do not neglect the cold or cough. This may lead to something more serious such as pneumonia. Do not panic or get restless when the child does not stop crying. Do try and keep different remedies ready and within your reach, especially at night. Do consult a pediatrician if you notice something unusual, such as green mucus. Do not neglect high fever and consult the pediatrician immediately. Remember to use ingredients that the baby is not allergic to. Also, do not give any fluid colder than room temperature. Tips to prevent a common cold. As mentioned above, it's not really possible to cure a common cold, but there are certain precautions you can take to prevent it from infecting your child. Wash his hands thoroughly with soap so that he avoids picking up germs from different surfaces. Feed him foods that are rich in phytochemicals, such as dark green, yellow, and red fruits and vegetables. Teach him to sneeze or cough into a tissue or the inside of his elbow and not his hands. The germs will stick around on his hands unless he washes them, making him more susceptible to catching a cold or cough. Let him get enough exercise regularly to help boost his immunity. Consistency is the key. Be watchful of how the methods you use are working, and if something gives relief to the baby, continue with it. If something is triggering more mucus production and irritability in your baby, avoid it. If the cold and cough persist for more than a week, do see a pediatrician to confirm whether it's a common cold and not a symptom of something else. On a general note, remember that children are more prone to cold and cough due to the lack of a fully developed immune system and respiratory system. They are growing. They will catch a common cold at least 6 to 12 times per year. Prepare yourself for its unwelcome arrival in your child's body with herbs, steamers age appropriate, and the first aid box of Indian home remedies for cold and cough in infants.